Hello everyone. Welcome to Graphic Vision. If you have not subscribed to this channel, so quickly click on the subscribe button. Today we are going to create app logo. First of all, go to Type tool, or press T on keyboard to write text. And type capital P. Then increase its size to 300. After that, go to Pen tool and create this shape. Once again, go to Pen tool and create one more shape. And duplicate this and drag it up. Now you will get this shape. Now select whole alphabet, and go to Object Panel, then Expand, and press OK. After expansion of this shape, then go to Pathfinder tool and click on Unite option. Now smooth its edges. That can be done by pulling these anchor points. After smoothing, go to Ellipse tool and create a circle. Make this circle center align. Now go to Pathfinder tool and exclude it. You will get something like this. Now I am going to add text, Moneypay. Add color in it. Now our logo is done. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.